Thomas and Friends, episode 209, Lexi the Gender Fluid Engine. One day, Neville was resting at the work shed when suddenly a strange-looking engine pulled up right next to him. "Hello there," said the engine. "My name is Lexi. What's your name?" "Neville," said Neville. "Neville? That's a fine name for a fine-looking engine." Neville blushed. "Why, thank you," he said. "Hey, Neville, are you an experimental engine?" "A what?" "An experimental engine. I never seen an engine like you before, or one that looks like a diesel with a funnel and a tender." "Oh, I guess I do look a bit unusual," said Neville. "Hey, Neville, have you seen Theo recently?" "No, sorry, Lexi," said Neville. "Oh, that's okay," said Lexi. "So tell me about yourself, Neville." Neville smiled, and he continued to talk about himself to Lexi throughout the rest of the day.